This is the X8R double cup holder for Fiat Ducato, Citroen Relay and Peugeot Boxer from 2007 onwards. This cup holder and bracket are suitable for vehicles without the optional extra cup holder from factory. The cup holders on these vehicles are poorly designed and are either too shallow, too wide, or too far from the driver's seating position to be safely in reach. The X8R cup holder is designed to fit perfectly in the mechanism of the glove box. Installation involves no drilling or additional screws. The glove box can still be used as originally designed and you will have no more spilt drinks. The X8R double cup holder features flexi prongs which securely hold any drink up to 70mm in diameter, including standard size cans, small and large disposable coffee cups and bottled drinks. The cup holder bracket is made from precision-engineered stainless steel and is specifically designed to uniquely fit. It will not break like cheap imitation parts. Thank you to Practical Van Hire Herne Bay and Whitstable for partnering with us on today's video. To install, open the glove box. Loosen the two screws at the top of the glove box using a T20 Torx bit on a ratchet. Do not remove them completely, a few turns will be enough. Slide the cup holder bracket to sit on the loosened threads of the screws. Hold the cup holder in place with one hand whilst tightening the screws with the other. This is the installation complete. This product is now available for purchase via the link in the description. If you have any comments or questions, please do not hesitate to contact us on the telephone number or email address on the screen.